What is up, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the new wheels for the 720. I have been looking for these wheels and these specs and in this condition for about 4 years now, and I feel like the wait has finally paid off. Now it's not exactly perfect, but it's as close as I can get to perfect at this day and age. So I know most of you mini truckers that are subscribed to the channel and follow the builds, you guys are probably well aware of the brand Eagle Alloys. They're an old school brand that make aluminum rims for pretty much anything, but they're discontinued and they're really hard to find, and when you do find them, most of the time their wheels are always beat up and stuff because they're just old wheels. Luckily I was able to find these wheels in pretty much perfect condition, at least from what I've seen. The only thing is that I'm missing the center caps. I shouldn't say that I'm missing the center caps because I have all 4 center caps, but they're not really in the best condition and they're kind of, you know, not the best, but they're fine for me right now. But I am trying to find all 4 to be the exact same, with all like the logo on there like this. This one is kind of okay condition, but you can see it's kind of looking a little ugly right there. And I have 2 that look like that, and I have 2 that don't have the little badge on there anymore, and I don't really like the way they look. So I am trying to find all 4, make a match, get them polished and everything so they can match the wheels and be perfect. I know there's a lot of people who are going to be like, that's all, those are the wheels, that's all you got. But to me, honestly, these are my dream wheels in 6 lug. I have a lot of wheels that I like, and I'm a big wheel guy. Like that's really like kind of what interests me mostly about cars. I always pay attention to the wheels. Yeah guys, so these are my 6 lug dream wheels. Like any Datsun, Toyota, Chevy, anything that's 6 lug, I would always put these wheels, at least if it was like a little mini truck. If it was like a big truck, I probably wouldn't put these wheels, but for mini trucks, these are my dream wheels, and I've always wished I had these ever since I had my first mini truck, which was my tan 720. And I always wanted some, but I could never afford them, and I just couldn't find any that were in the condition that I wanted. Now, in my opinion, these are a little too nice for me, and I kind of don't want to put them on because I don't want to mess them up. But at the same time, I bought them, I have them, and I'd rather put them to use than have them sit. So I am very fortunate to be able to buy these in the condition that they are. And just keep in mind how old these are. I think they stopped selling them in like 2003. They stopped making them way before the 2000s, I think. So these are really old wheels, and to find them in this condition, it's just unbelievable. But yeah, I ended up buying them. I had them professionally polished, and guys, they look brand new. They look amazing. I know you guys are waiting to see them, but here they are. For those of you who don't know what these wheels are, these are Eagle Alloys 028s. They're just a 5-spoke design, really basic. Have a really big deep dish. The specs on all 4 are the same, 15 by 10, negative 48. And my goal is to run a 195/50 on these stretched. I know it's pretty aggressive, but I've done it a lot of times on pretty much all my mini trucks. I've always had that, and it always looks nice. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited to see these wheels on. So now I just need to lower the truck, which I will be making a video for all you guys who are always asking me how I do it and all of that. So I will be showing you guys how to lower it for roughly 30 bucks. You know, lower the truck. And then we could throw these wheels on there, get some tires mounted on there, and the 720 is going to be looking icy. So this is what I meant. That one has the cap on there. This one has the cap. This one has no cap. That one has no cap. I still decided to get them polished, even though these 2 don't have the caps, and these 2 look kind of ugly. But I was like, for the meantime, I'll run them like this, and then once I find them, then I'll get those professionally polished, and it'll look all nice. I still need some hardware for the caps. They came with some, but it was old and looking gross, so I kind of just tossed them. So I just got to get some new hardware in there to make it look all nice, make it match, since they are pretty much brand new and everything's all nicely done. These wheels have 0 curb rash. Like, I'm talking about 0, not even a little bit. Let me get a focus on that. So I'm sorry we're not going to be throwing it on the truck right now, but the truck isn't lowered enough for these to look good on him. It's just lowered 2 inches, which in my opinion, these will not look good on it at all. So yeah, I'm sorry this was a short video and I was just talking, but I hope you guys are excited to see these wheels get tossed onto the truck. But super excited. I love these wheels. They're super nice. Yeah, I hope you guys are excited for the build on the 720. It is still going. I've just been waiting on parts, but gonna start diving into it. So I hope you guys are excited, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.